In this video, we're going to look at finding the square root of a number. When we square something, we show this little 2 to show that it's been squared. If we had 2 squared, it would basically be saying 2 times 2, which equals 4. Likewise, if it said 3 squared with the little 2, it would be 3 times 3, which equals 9. Now if we had 5 squared, and we show squared with a little 2 here, this basically means 5 times by 5, which we know equals 25. But sir, why are you telling us how to square a number? We know how to do that. Today we're looking for the square root. Well, I'm glad you've asked, because knowing how to square a number actually helps us when finding the square root. The square root symbol looks like this. In this example, the x is where the number that you're looking for the square root of goes. Let's get ready to look at a few examples. Looking at an example we looked at earlier, we're going to work out the square root of 25. The square root of 25 equals 5. We know this because 5 squared, which is 5 times 5, equals 25. Like I said earlier, knowing how to square a number helps us when working out the square root. In this example, we're going to work out the square root of 16. Now we know that 4 squared, which is 4 times 4, equals 16. So the square root of 16 equals 4. Let's do one more together. We're going to work out the square root of 36. Now we know that 6 squared, which is 6 times 6, equals 36. So the square root of 36 equals 6. Is the square root of a number, as long as the numbers are the same. You times them all along, make sure that you're not wrong, as long as the numbers are the same.